Like and subscribe to Desi Engine. Click the bell button to receive the latest video.
Hello friends, let's learn about numbers today. Numbers are very important when we have to do some sort of calculation and other things. So let's learn counting today. The first number is 0. And how is it spelled? Z E R O, 0. And it means shunya. Repeat it after me. 0. The next number is 1. And how is this spelled? O N E, 1. इसका मतलब है एक. Repeat after me. 1. The next number is 2. How is this spelled? T W O, 2. इसका मतलब है 2. Repeat after me. 2. Let's come to the next number. 3. How is this spelled? T H R E E, 3. इसका मतलब है 3. Repeat after me. 3. The next number is 4. How is this spelled? F O U R, 4. इसका मतलब है 4. Repeat after me. 4. The next number is 5. And how is this spelled? F I V E, 5. इसका मतलब है 5. Repeat after me. 5. The next number is 6. And how is this spelled? S I X, 6. इसका मतलब है 6. Repeat after me. 6. The next number is 7. And this is spelled as S E V E N, 7. इसका मतलब है 7. Repeat after me. 7. The next number is 8. And this is spelled as E I G H T, 8. मतलब है इसका 8. Repeat after me. 8. The next number is 9. And this is spelled as N I N E, 9. इसका मतलब है 9. Repeat after me. 9. Let's come to the next set of numbers. And it is 10. How is this spelled? T E N, 10. इसका मतलब है 10. Repeat it again. 10. The next number is 11. And this is spelled as E L E V E N, 11. इसका मतलब है 11. Let's say it again. 11. The next number is 12. And this is spelled as T W E L V E 12. इसका मतलब है 12. Let's say it again. 12. The next number is 13 and this is spelled as T H I R T E E N 13. इसका मतलब है 13. The next number is 14 and this is spelled as F O U R T E E N 14. इसका मतलब है 14. Repeat after me. 14. The next number is 15. It's spelled as F I F T E E N 15. इसका मतलब है 15. Say it again. 15. The next number is 16 and this is spelled as S I X T E E N 16. इसका मतलब है 16. Say it again. 16. The next number is 17 and this is spelled as S E V E N T E E N 17. इसका मतलब है 17. Say it again. 17. The next number is 18 and this is spelled as E I G H T E E N 18. इसका मतलब है 18. Say it again. 18. The next number is 19 and this is spelled as N I N E T E E N 19. इसका मतलब है 19. Say it again. 19. The last number and it is 20. This is spelled as T W E N T Y 20. इसका मतलब है 20. Say it again. 20. We'll learn about the next set of numbers in the next class.